Gentlemen and ladies, we have a treat especial today. Today we're going to do some TLC on the Beast. Okay, I got a new air scoopy and I got some new TPMS sensors, and I found these on the Jungle site. That's the part number right there. 40 doll hairs. Okay, 40 doll hairs, and I got 4 brand new sensors. Are these OEM? Nope. Are they the same frequencies? Yes. Let's make sure they're all reading before we do the install. This is the first thing you should do before installing any TPMS sensor, because new stands for never ever works. Alright, reads 1. Badass.
Enjoy the high-speed footage brought to you by some royalty-free music. Wasn't that just some beautiful music? Alright, we're going to go ahead and start using the ThinkDiag2. This is the latest investment that I've picked up off the Jungle site. Found it for about 120 doll hairs. It's got a $70 annual subscription. I love it. It works with all iPhones and some Androids, I hope. I don't know. I don't own an Android, so you'll have to tell me. But I am super happy with it. I've used it on a lot of domestic vehicles, tons of Asian vehicles, and a few Europeans, and I've been thoroughly impressed with the level of dealer services that it can do. So we're going to see if we can train these tire sensors up. Looks like we got 1. We got 2. 3. Come on, give me 3. Ooh, come on, 4. 4. We got 4 programmed sensors. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice, guys. And to think you can do this at home.
Okay, verifies that they're all red. 234 kilopascals. Yeah, that's about right. I gotta figure out how to change over everything to PSI, or maybe I'm just gonna have to end up learning how to read kilopascal after all. Scoop 'em tool. That's amazing. That is definitely worth my money. This is definitely worth the money. The interface, using it on a phone, it's a little cumbersome because you're dealing with a really small screen. It doesn't have that big fancy GUI screen that we're used to with the other ThinkCar products. But I'm not going to argue for 120 bucks what it does. This is an amazing tool. It's something that I'm definitely going to be having around in my go bag all the time. This is going to live in my car, because I am always helping people out here and about, and I always say, man, I wish I just had a tool, a scan tool or something. Now I do. And at $70 a year to maintain the subscription, that's worth it. That's worth it to me.